Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to show you the tips to add the Apple News app on your Mac for people who are outside the USA, UK or Canada, and Australia. Because News app isn't only available in selected region. But here I am showing how to get it on your Mac. Without change Apple ID or changing your iCloud account. Follow this video. Go to the Apple logo from the top Mac menu and open System Preferences. Next, select Language and Region option. Now, select the United States in the Region option. And that's it. To apply the changes successfully, restart your Mac. Go to Apple logo menu and restart the Mac. Once you log into your Mac, see the Launchpad and search the News app in the search field. So in this case, you don't need to download from the App Store, you have to just enable or appear by changing the region of your Mac. Without losing the security, we can get the Apple News app on Mac. Hope you enjoyed the tips to get a News app on Mac outside the USA, Canada, UK, and Australia. To get the latest future update on Apple News apps, check the video description. Also don't miss to like, subscribe and comment for more help.